whole place is empty. We told you so. You look behind. There are empty seats. The chief whip should observe all the empty seats and advise us whether in the circumstance we can put a question. They should get the chamber populated. They say they are super majority. They should let their people come. Mr. Speaker, I'm advising them.
NDC is not able to get even their number, the quorum, to make decision in Parliament. Meanwhile, Afenyo Makin is ready with his people. Which means there are times in this current Parliament, this 9th Parliament too, there are times there are sittings that MPP is majority. For instance, yesterday. So when you realize yesterday, the newly appointed majority chief whip, who is a Dafiamepo, had to come to Afenyo's side to come and beg that, oh, we beg, just let your people support us so that we can approve the ministers. NDC is divided. Now, because NDC is divided, they are beginning to get frustrated. The few MPs that still come to Parliament for NDC side, they are getting really frustrated. And because they are getting frustrated, they want to resort to physical confrontation, fight, blows to blows. Yes, I know you'll be surprised hearing this, but that is it. And I posted a video about that on my page today. When Afenyo Makin and his militants or his parliamentarians or our parliamentarians on the MPP side started again today that they were not going to agree to any passing of approval of the ministers of John Mahama, the second batch or so of ministers. It so happened that they started singing in the chamber of parliament and all. Can you imagine? Whilst this is going on, the MP for Ashaiman went to Dr. Ayɛka to tell him that he should give him permission so that he can go and fight blows to blows with our MPs. When people are using their brain, they don't have the numbers. We don't have the numbers in Parliament too. You call this micro minority, and the micro minority is frustrating you. They can't think outside the box. They cannot think outside the box. So because they cannot think outside the box, all they know how to do is physical strength. Obi parliamentarian, you fro honorable. Sometimes they think the title is for it just title. There's a reason they call you honorable. It means there must be honor around you. You must be honored. Your colleagues are staging a peaceful protest in Parliament. Quickly, you've run. You want to go and fight. I'm so happy Afenyo Makin called him out in front of the whole nation and warned him. Charlie, we are blessed to have Afenyo Makin in a time such as this. I don't know, you might have your issues against Afenyo, but me, as a patriot, I'm happy currently our leader in Parliament is Afenyo Makin. Afenyo Makin had to call him out and warn him. And you see, I always say that when you look at us who are patriots, you just go through the list. Even people who are viewing right now, take anyone randomly who is an MPP person, take the person through questioning, and you will hear the kind of answers that emanate from people. It is just as if we in the MPP, we are carefully selected by God. Like once we are coming to earth, God intentionally appoints you to be part of the MPP. Yeah, because there is, when you look at someone, let's even take grassroots members. You take NDC grassroots member, take MPP grassroots member. You want to compare, the difference is clear. Very, very clear. The way they think, their approach to difficulties, their approach to patriotism, everything is different when you take a grassroots member of NDC and MPP. And that is why nobody in their right sense, when given the chance to choose between these two parties, will go and choose NDC. Why would you? Is NDC even attractive? NDC has never ever been attractive. Never. Anywhere, if you want a party in which you can feel proud that I belong to a group of people that are critical thinkers, that party is the MPP. We might not be all united when going to Congress and all, but Charlie, when any meeting of patriots, when you enter, there is a difference and it's clear. That is why you have somebody, you come into MPP, you see a police station chairman who has PhD. Yeah. You come into MPP, and when you even mention that you're a professor, is no news, because almost everybody is a professor. Mami, you are welcome. My mother is here. Almost everybody. The moment you enter into MPP, let's say you come with a first degree, you come with a diploma, the caliber of people you come and meet, you will not even feel like staying at the diploma or degree, first degree level. You will always aspire to go higher once you enter into MPP. So you don't see us always at the gym, gymming our muscles like the way that Sherman MP from the NDC side is gymming, and the least thing he wants to run and go and fight. But we are always gymming our head. We are always gymming the state of our mind. And that is why whenever we come to power, there is a difference in in the direction in which we lead this nation. It's different. Very, very, very different. Our approaches are so different. Let me give you one example. For instance, just on 7th January, John Mahama, His Excellency, took over the helms of our affairs as the President of the Republic of Ghana. After taking over, he started making appointments. Certain individuals in some parts of the nation believe that the appointments that His Excellency John Mahama is making, they are left out. And I'm talking about NDC grassroots people. Now, they know this is a problem. What is their solution? Their solution is to go to their party office and go and touch the place. Burn it down. Burn it down so that you can catch attention. You can catch the eye of the leaders. It happened in Bole, it happened in Ho, and today it happened in Winneba, Efutu. They've gone into their own offices to burn down the place, burn down the computers, burn down the chairs, break the wood, remove the doors and all, because they feel that somebody from their constituency was supposed to be appointed by the president and he has not been appointed. That is a typical NDC grassroots person for you. They believe in violence. Everything must be by force. If you want to be heard, then it must be it must be through force. You must do something. You must pour blood to catch attention. You must break down something to catch attention. You must set fire to something to catch attention. It is for that reason that nowadays, whenever there is a fire at a market, the first people that come to mind to blame are our friends in the NDC. Yes, because that is their modus operandi. Yeah, that is our modus operandi. They like to destroy things with fire. They like to break down things. But imagine if it were to be MPP. Let's say MPP government comes into power, and maybe appointments are not going the way maybe certain people feel like. What would they do? You will hear words like petition. We are petitioning. We are petitioning. We are petitioning. We are petitioning. Never would you see a group of MPP followers who are not happy with something, and then they go to their party office and go and burn it down. It being see that. The reason I'm telling you this is because